What's broken?
The bike that you're holding.
No, my bike's not broken.
We're going on a bike ride.
The other one's broken. There's another bike in there that, I mean, it's not really broken, but I need to...
And the tires are the skinny ones.
Because this bike is for racing.
I made some bread for sandwiches, but I got it in a little bit late, so we're kind of waiting for it to get out. We'll go on a ride and we'll just come back here and have a picnic on the yard. Hey, Jamesy. Look how cute you are.
I see myself.
Oh, look how cute Lily is. James hates his helmet. Oh, Lily, careful, you're gonna hurt his neck. As soon as we strap them in, James is gonna really start hating life.
Picture of your water bottles.
You want me to look at the water bottles? There they are. Ooh, we should get some video of my new bike. Nice, huh? Very nice, brand new Trek bike. I'm very excited. We've been riding around quite a bit. Oh, there's the time.
This is us stuck in the grass.
Dad,
Why do I have to be in front? I don't need to turn in front. I don't really care. Okay, we're on our bikes now. Wait a second, are you behind me, Isaac?
Yes.
Okay, why don't you go around me? This is our first ever all-together family bike ride since North Carolina. Actually, Annie and I went once, when I think we only had Ethan and Isaac at the time. But they weren't riding bikes, so it wasn't the same. Okay, stopping, guys. No cars? No cars. Okay, let's go then. I'm on the road because I'm big.
I don't go on the road. I love being on the road.
No, you gotta stay on the sidewalk, please.
I like being on the road. I'll just watch out.
Ethan, I do not want you on the road.
Yeah, you guys both stay on. Oh, Isaac really far behind?
Uh-oh. Dad, look behind.
Watch! Where you going? It's okay. It's not a race. You can walk your bike if you want. Ethan, come on. Isaac, if you get off and walk your bike, you can let Ethan go around you. It's okay. You're doing pretty good, eh? Impressed.